Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all before I run out to the gym. Yes, it's late night, almost midnight, and I'm running out to the gym focused on my health. But the topic we're going to talk about real quick before I get out of here, people having maxed out credit cards. This have to stop, people. You're destroying yourself. You're putting yourself in more debt. A lot of times I'm getting emails, people asking me, I'm going to Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, PNC. These banks are denying me because I don't have perfect credit or even good credit. Where can I go to? We're going to talk about a company called Splash, based out of Chicago, started back in 2013. Now, they specialize, right, in debt consolidation when it comes to credit cards, right? You could go grab some money and you could get these credit cards paid off, at least cut down by 60, 70, 80%, which is really good. Right now, the APR starts from 8.99% all the way up to 35.99%. Now, a lot of people I'm noticing, I'm doing calls with people, got about 5, 6, 7, 10 credit cards. And when you average it out, you could go back in my old video. I'll show you how to average out all your balances, right? Still as high as 25%, 30%, and even over that 30%, right? So if you go to Splash and get approval and get whatever your debt means, let's say your total debt is $10,000 and you could go grab $15,000, you could pay off that debt on those credit cards and chop your APR down. So let's say you go to Splash today and your APR is 12.99%. You're going to save yourself thousands and thousands of dollars. Do the math, people, and realize how much money you could save. You can't keep paying the minimum amount on these credit cards, and then you got these high APR rates. You're never gonna get out that hole. So again, Splash, you're 18 years old, you have some pay stubs that you could upload. You might not have perfect credit. You can have a little as 650 credit score, and they will approve you to give you some money. So you can start paying down these credit cards, people. You got to do that. Now, you can apply in most states in the United States, but in New York, they're not allowing you to apply if you're based out of New York. So everybody that's in New York, this will not be offered to you. But again, you can do a pre-qualification. Keep in mind, you can do a pre-qualification, so please don't have a lock on your credit report. They will be looking at TransUnion. Just keep in mind that. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top. This is why I bring this content to you. This is why I bring these different companies so you can make your final decision. Now, you don't want to apply for a company like Splash, and if they offer you 25% APR, almost 30% APR, it makes no sense for you to apply and get approval because your average is still around the same amount. But if you could get at even lowest that they offer, at 8.99%, you can save yourself thousands and thousands of dollars. You accept your offer, it will be a hard inquiry on your credit report. Just keep that in mind. And what Splash do, if they can't approve you, listen to me clearly, if they can't approve you, at that same time, they have other lenders that they partnered up with can offer you something if they can't offer you. Again, you got to make your decision what you want to move forward with. Now, if they do approve you, but the interest rate is high, obviously you don't want to take it, man. But so I just wanted to bring you Splash. You could do your own reviews. I always tell you, no matter what I say, no matter what anybody say, I want you to always do your own research. Go to Trustpilot, do your own reviews, and see what people are saying. But again, you can get approval with only pay stubs, right? So long as you got a job, you got some direct deposit, you can go out there and get some money and start paying back these credit cards, people. I want to see y'all win. Go on my website. You know, I got the free business ebook. The personal one will be back soon. I don't know when. I told you in a couple months, it'll be back soon. I had it up there for 2 years for people so they can start working on their credit report. Again, man, get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out.